Hey everyone, I'm Maggie and I'm going to be explaining to you how this experiment worked, so let's get started. So white vinegar contains acetic acid in its composition, and acetic acid is a weak acid that gives vinegar its strong taste. Acetic acid has a formula HC2H3O2. This means that white vinegar is composed of the elements carbon, which is the C, hydrogen, which is the H, and oxygen, which is the O, which are three of the elements on the periodic table. Since vinegar contains more than one element, it is considered a compound. A compound is a mixture that is composed of two or more elements. When a compound contains a positive charge, the compound is an acid. Since hydrogen has a positive charge, it is the cause of the acidic traits in the white vinegar. Baking soda's chemical compound name is sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda has a chemical formula of NaHCO3, which means that it is a compound because it is a mixture that is composed of two or more elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. It contains the elements sodium, Na, hydrogen, H, carbon, C, and oxygen, O. Na, H, C, and O. Baking soda is a compound with a negative charge, which is why it is a base. Since bicarbonate is a negative polyatomic ion, it is the reason for the basic characteristics in the compound. And just a side note that a polyatomic ion is an ion that contains more than one atom. By mixing white vinegar and baking soda, an acid-base reaction will occur. The hydrogen ions from the vinegar will transfer places with the bicarbonate polyatomic ion from the baking soda. The swap between these two ions create two new compounds, carbonic acid and sodium acetate. Once the carbonic acid is formed, it starts to break down into simpler substances. This is called a decomposition reaction. A decomposition reaction is a type of chemical reaction where one compound breaks down into two or more elements or new compounds. The carbonic acid decomposes into water and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide gas is the gas that causes the balloon to inflate in this reaction.
So here are all the materials you will need to conduct this experiment. First, white vinegar, baking soda, empty water bottles, a funnel, measuring spoons, and last but not least, a balloon or balloons. Before you start, set the materials up outside. This experiment may cause a mess inside your house. As you can see, I'm filling the first water bottle with 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I filled the second water bottle with 4 tablespoons of vinegar, the third water bottle with 6 tablespoons of vinegar, and the last one with 8 tablespoons of vinegar. After you fill the water bottles, dry out the funnel for the baking soda. Next, you will be filling your balloons with baking soda. Wrap the opening of the balloon over the funnel so that the baking soda doesn't spill everywhere. The first balloon is filled with 2 teaspoons of baking soda. The second is filled with 4 teaspoons of baking soda. The third is filled with 6 teaspoons of baking soda. And the last balloon is filled with 8 teaspoons of baking soda. Now that the balloons are filled, wrap the opening of the balloons over the top of the water bottles. Don't overstretch the balloons because they might break. Once the water bottles are capped with the balloons, lift the ends of the balloons up and shake the baking soda into the water bottle. Once the baking soda hits the vinegar, the reaction will start and the balloons will inflate. If the balloon is weighed down like the red one, lift it and shake it. This means there is still some baking soda in your balloon. Shown here is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed this experiment, and I hope you guys do too. You guys should definitely do this experiment at home with your friends or your family, and you guys can even make this a challenge to see who will blow up the biggest balloon. Please take photos and videos of your experiments and send them to MC